In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chime Virtual Card Anywhere. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Chime app, and over here I've blurred all my information. However, you can still see the thing that is important, which is you want to go to the Home tab down here at the bottom left, and then from here you want to click on the gear icon top left to open up the settings. Now, once you tap on that, you'll be able to scroll down inside the settings until you find the option which says debit card. Now, under this category, you have a few different things. Now, to actually be able to first use the virtual card anywhere, you have to allow transactions, so you make sure this is toggled on and green like this. And if you want to do international transactions, of course, you must toggle on that as well and make sure this is green as well. Now, after that, you simply want to click on View Your Card. So to view the card number, expiration, and CVV or CVC, simply tap on that and then you will see your card. Again, the info is blurred over here. However, it will say down here, use this temporary card for online transactions or add it to your mobile wallet for in-store purchases. So this card will be disabled when you activate your new physical card. So that's pretty much it. That's how you can use it. You can then, of course, if you're doing some online purchases, you can just use the information on this card over here and you can put it into an online store, or in case you're trying to buy in a physical store, you can just add your card to your Apple Pay or Google Pay or Google Wallet, whatever you want to do, and after that you can just use your NFC on your phone to pay in store physically. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.